guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Alicia Lifestyle, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you're my returning subscriber, karibu tena na tena. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, today I'm so happy, or rather we are so happy because we are traveling to Kenya. Yes guys, we are traveling to Kenya. We are very excited. It's been a minute. The last time we were there was like a month ago, and to me that seems or looks so long. So today we are traveling to Kenya. I and my 3 daughters. My husband traveled to Kenya a couple of days ago. So we are going to meet him there. He's the one who will come to pick us at the airport. So for me and my kids, will be flying to Kenya. So we are just waiting for the taxi to come pick us up. We'll be going to the airport at 6 because our flight is at 8:45 p.m. So we want to be there early enough so that we are not caught up in traffic and all that. So we'll leave here at 6 and then we head to the airport. So guys, I want to take you along with us to Kenya again, my motherland or our home. So I'm very excited to go back to our countryside home. I love countryside life. So I'm very excited to go to Kenya, and I pray to God that we have a safe flight there, and I know God will grant us that, and we'll meet my husband there. He'll come to pick us at the airport. So guys, stay tuned for content from Kenya. But today I'll show you us leaving Rwanda and going back to Kenya, that is Nairobi. And then we go back to, not go back, we go to our Machakos home. We have a home in Machakos, that is Machakos County. So guys, we've prepared and now we are ready. Our taxi is almost here. And these are our suitcases. These 2 and one small one that Libby is playing with. Libby, say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. At the channel.
Yeah, welcome back to the channel.
I'm Libby.
You're Libby. Oh, good girl.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Okay, Mama will give you food. And Gabi is here.
Hi.
Say hi. And Laser.
Hi, guys. I'm Laser.
Good. So the taxi is about to come, so we'll head there. See you at the airport, guys.